The fighter, developed by China and powered by Russian RD-93 engines, forms the backbone of the PFS fighter fleet, with at least 137 aircraft in service and dozens more in production. The first JF-17 was officially inducted into the Pakistan Air Force in 2010. According to the Hindustan Times report, the JF-17 fighter has now become mandatory for the PFS. The report added that a large number of Russian engines installed on the JF-17 aircraft have suffered cracks in the guide vanes, exhaust nozzles and fire stabilizers. Under the agreement signed with Beijing for the plane, Islamabad will procure engines and parts from Russia only through China. But as engine-related issues began to affect the JF-17 program, Pakistan has reached out to Russia directly for the supply of engines, spare parts and support for its maintenance. While Russian engine company Kilmov has expressed a willingness to provide engines, parts and maintenance for the RD-93, U.S. sanctions on Russia's defense export agency Rosoboronexport have prevented the realization of the agreement. Islamabad has sought to exploit the new geopolitical realities in which Russia and China are growing closer, allowing it to build closer ties with Moscow. It should be borne in mind that former Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan was in Moscow on the day Russian troops officially launched the invasion of Ukraine.